When you're using the home version of Microsoft Teams, then you don't get much options when you share your screen. But if you're using the Office 365 version, then you go around onto share screen, then you get more options to choose from, as you can see right here. So I'm just going to go around and click on screen right here and then start sharing like this. And once I do that over here, when I hover around on the top, you can see you get different options, like you can give control and so forth right here. And in this very video, we're going to take a look at how we can use the annotation feature. So if I were to go to start annotating right here, then annotation actually goes around and starts. So it says start annotating, and you can let everyone annotate and make changes right here. So now it says everyone can edit, and here you can see that different things are provided to you. So you can go around, use your laser pointer, and it'll be shared out with the other team members. You can go around and annotate out with, let's say for example, like different markers right here. You can go around and annotate out with highlighters right here. You can go around, erase this right here over here as well by using the eraser, as you can see. You can go around over here and draw out shapes over here as well. So you can see that you can really go around and then use out shapes. And over here you can see that there's sticky notes, that this different type of sticky notes that you can bring in as well. And you can type in the sticky notes and change the color of the sticky notes as well. So you can go around, resize this, place it wherever you want. And there's more option over here as well to send it to back and arrange these out in different layers as well. So over here you can see that there's adding of reactions right here. So you can go around, add in different reactions and place this into place right here, just like this. Then you can go for selection tool, you can undo and redo over here as well, and go to settings right here. And then here you can see you get the collaborative cursors right over here as well, and you can enhance out the ink shapes over here as well, as you can see. So this is how you can go around and you can let everyone annotate, or only set it so that you can annotate over here, as you can see as well. So that is how you can go around and then use the annotation option over here while you're sharing screen inside of Microsoft Teams. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.